I don't think Justin has any other friends.
No, he definitely
At all.
No,
I think we're his only friends.
Yeah, not even. Well, yeah.
That doesn't make any sense. Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah.
He's going to Washington.
Hey guys!
Hi.
I'm sorry that I'm late, but I kind of got hit by a car on my way over here, so... What's funny about that?
Yeah.
Okay, so welcome to the July 14th meeting of Strike Through 8. Formerly my thesis. So let's start with introductions. I'm Justin, and I think I'm very good at directing movies.
Well, I'm Joe, and, well, I have funky shorts on today. Yeah.
I'm Alvin, and, I'm Alvin.
Hi, I'm Justin, and I like directing and producing.
I'm Mitchell, and I...
Wait a minute. Who the hell is that?
Yeah, I'm the new guy.
Yeah, I brought him. I met him at
At the bar, remember?
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah, I met him at the bar, so he brought me.
Okay, well, welcome to the meeting.
I'm over here now!
What? Okay, alright, okay, we should get to business, because we still have to figure out what this week's short's gonna be, right, guys? Mm-hmm. So I was thinking that maybe we should do the next, 24 episode, because everyone loves Jack Bauer, you know? Damn it, we're running out of time! It's great quality material.
Classic.
So,
I think I should be the next Jack Bauer.
why the hell do you think that?
Damn it!
That was amazing. So incredible.
I thought miracles only happened once.
So this is what happened when doves cry.
We have
Our
new
Jack Bauer!
Thank you.
Guys, continuity. I've played him for the last 2 episodes. Why would you come out of...
They voted. They voted.
He's just way better.
Yeah, he's too good, Justin.
Like, you're here, he's...
Yeah, it's just...
I can't believe I've been replaced as Jack Bauer. I mean, I've created the character. The damn it's and running out of time.
Hi, best friend. Bye, Joe.
What are you still doing here?
Now we're alone. What are you doing?
I'm playing Xbox.
Go ahead, play.
What are you still doing here? The meeting's over.
Hanging out with you?
Jesus Christ. What are you doing?
What? What?
I'm trying to play a video game
What?
here. You
Go,
can
play. Go.
I'm trying, but you're...
play.
Just...
Ah! Sorry.
You did that on
Sorry.
purpose. You did that on...
I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry.
That's it! I hate you! I hate you, you stupid...
What are you doing to me?
He started it.
He's an elderly man.
No.
Look, now he's crying. What the hell, man?
I hate you. God, I gotta get out of here anyway. I got a date with Shalana. Jesus Christ. Just screw off, Joe.
Hey, Justin, just let me get the door.
Yeah, it's better to have doors open than...
Actually, that's okay.
Hi!
Hi!
So, about that date we were gonna go on.
Yeah.
It's been my first one in a while, so... I got you this. It's a hula girl.
Why?
She provides hours of entertainment to no end, you know, just... I hope you like her.
This is really awkward, Justin.
Like...
Maybe you should take this back and I'll, explain.
Listen. Before this goes anywhere, I have to tell you, you look beautiful tonight, and, I wrote you a poem, and I memorized it, so I think maybe I'll start with it.
Okay.
It's called whirlwind, because that's how you make my heart feel. But the sky is so blue with the radiant spires of the...
Hello.
So I'm going out with Justin tonight.
But I'm Justin.
I know,
Yeah.
but I'm going out with Justin
Yeah.
tonight.
Yeah.
What is he... What? Just...
I'm really sorry. I wanted to tell you, but
One thing led to another, you know.
you know, Alvin introduced me to him this afternoon after
Oh,
the meeting,
Albin! I hate Albin!
and we just kind of hit it off. I'm really sorry. We can still be friends, right?
Yeah.
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 Friends.
Right.
Okay.
I'll see you.
Bye. That was so awkward. What?
What? Yeah. Awkward.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, I'm gonna go get ready.
Oh,
for
yeah.
the date. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Hey. Justin.
What?
Justin, I want to talk to you for a second.
Okay, what is this about? I don't have all day. I just have my heart broken and just don't touch me.
Justin,
What?
I am going to screw her. I am going to taste her.
Dude, she's a fragile flower. Don't do that to her. She's a fragile...
I will not call her tomorrow.
Do you want to break
I will never call her.
Son of a bitch! Go! Women! You just...
Justin! Justin, you're so immature. I mean, he's an old man.
Yeah.
He's a puppet!
He's an elderly gentleman. He's a senior citizen, and you're supposed to...
He's a puppet!
Justin, just... Let's go.
Wow, that was amazing. Was that as good for you as it was for me?
It was... okay. It was passable. I'm gonna go to bed now. No. Hi, Justin?
Joanna?
So... he was a puppet.
I told you he was a puppet. I mean,
No,
he's made out of, like, fabric.
I know. Limp fabric. Anyways, I was thinking we should give that dating thing a try again.
I guess they really did update it with the new 24. With Justin taking my place.
Damn it! I gotta find the nerve gas! We're running out of time! Who do you work for? Whoa!
The bastard's trying to cut me out of the group. I'm running out of time. Damn it. I gotta get my revenge. To be continued!
And action! I am going to tongue her.
What?
Oh! She caressed my tongue with her penis. Bigot! I'm horny.
God! Are we coming? Calm down.
Assaulted by a...
Is there someone under there?
Quiet on set. Quiet on set. Re-recording. Yes!